Hi everyone, I'm Marina. Today I will make Brussels sprouts with cheese and lemon.
Simple ingredients: Brussels sprouts, cheese, and lemon. Place Brussels sprouts in the bowl, add some water. When water starts boiling, squeeze half a lemon and garlic powder. Mix all together, cool until tender. Now we strain and just let Brussels sprouts steam for a couple minutes. Place in preheated oven at 400 degrees. Brussels sprouts down on the baking sheet. Use any cup or give them a smash. Add olive oil, black pepper and breadcrumbs to the top. Bake about 15 minutes. Remove from the oven, flip Brussels sprouts and add some cheese. Bake until golden brown. Try and you will love this recipe. Brussels sprouts are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow. I will share new simple food recipe with you.